If you want to mirror your brushstrokes in GIMP so that whatever you draw on one side instantly appears on the other side, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn on mirror symmetry in GIMP step by step so you can paint faster, create perfectly balanced designs, and save a ton of time while drawing. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open GIMP and make sure you have an image or blank canvas ready to work on. Once you're inside the workspace, go to the top menu and click Windows, then Dockable Dialogues, and then choose Symmetry Painting. This will open a new panel inside GIMP where you can control different symmetry options. In the Symmetry Painting panel, look for the Symmetry drop-down menu. Click it and then select Mirror. This is the setting that enables mirrored drawing behavior across your canvas. After that, you'll see options for symmetry direction. Depending on how you want to mirror your artwork, check the box for horizontal symmetry or vertical symmetry. Horizontal symmetry is great if you want the top and bottom of your drawing to reflect each other, while vertical symmetry is ideal for left to right mirrored art. Once you've selected the symmetry mode, go back to your canvas and you'll notice dotted green guideline markers appear. These guides show you exactly where the mirrored line is active, so you can keep your artwork centered and consistent. Now grab any brush tool you want to use. The paintbrush tool works great, and the pencil tool is another solid choice if you want sharper, more controlled lines. Start drawing on one side of the canvas, and GIMP will automatically replicate your strokes in real time on the opposite side. This makes it incredibly easy to create symmetrical characters, logos, patterns, wings, faces, or any design that needs a mirrored look. If you want to adjust your result, you can simply keep drawing, erase, or switch tools while the mirror effect remains active. This is one of the easiest ways to speed up your digital art workflow in GIMP, especially if you're building symmetrical illustrations from scratch. And the best part is, once you understand how to use the Symmetry Painting panel, you can reuse this same method in future projects anytime you need mirrored artwork. So to quickly recap, open Windows, go to Dockable Dialogues, open Symmetry Painting, choose Mirror from the Symmetry dropdown, select horizontal or vertical symmetry, and then draw with a brush tool to see the live mirrored effect. That's how you mirror in GIMP. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP tutorial.